Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the use of artificial intelligence or AI in higher education. My presentation is based on four published academic articles related to AI in education, especially the use of AI chatbots such as ChatGPT. This article explains both the advantage and disadvantage of using AI tools in academic contexts. They also analyze how these technologies can affect students' learning and academic performance. First, I will explain two advantages of AI in education. Then I will discuss two disadvantages. Finally, I will explain how AI can affect students' learning. One important advantage of AI is that it can provide immediately feedback to students. According to Levites, Grigolia, and Mashites, AI chatbots can answer questions quickly and support independent learning. This means that students do not always need to wait for a teacher's response. As a result, students may solve academic problems faster and manage their study time more effectively. Another advantage is personalized learning. Some AI systems can adapt educational content according to students' needs and learning styles. Jill and his colleagues explained that AI technologies can support collaboration and improve learning efficiently. For example, AI platforms may recommend exercises based on students' weakness or provide additional explanations when students do not understand the topic clearly. Consequently, students may feel more engaged during the learning progress or process. Okay, so however, the articles also mm, mention important disadvantage related to AI in education. The first disadvantage is the possible reduction of critical thinking skills. Low guidance and Berdelli explained that students may become too dependent on AI tools because AI can generate answers immediately. Some students may stop analyzing information carefully or developing their own ideas. These situations can negatively affect problem solving abilities and independent thinking. The second disadvantage is academic dishonesty. AI tools can produce essay summaries very quickly. As a result, some students may submit AI-generated work without fully understanding the content. According to the article, these creators' concerns about academic integrity and fairness in universities. In addition, some AI systems may provide incorrect information, so students can learn incorrect concepts if they do not verify the sources carefully. The articles also explain different ways in which AI can affect students' learning. One effect is that AI can improve accessibility and efficiency in education. Students can access information at any time and receive support outside the classroom. This may help students become more autonomous and organized in their studies. On the other hand, AI may also reduce active participation in the learning process. If students rely too much on AI generated answers, they may participate less in discussions, research activities, or critical analysis. Therefore, universities need to establish clearly rules about the responsible use of AI in academic environments. Another important point mentioned in the articles is that teachers and universities also need to adapt to these technologies changes. Some researchers explain that traditional learning or teaching methods may not be enough in classrooms where students frequently use AI tools. Because of this, universities may need to redesign assignments and evaluation methods. For example, teachers may include more oral presentations, critical discussions, or collaborative projects to verify students' understanding. In addition, the article suggests that students should receive guidance about the ethical use of AI. Many students use AI tools without fully understanding their information or risk. Therefore, universities should teach students how to evaluate AI generated informations critical and how to use these technologies responsibly in academic work. Overall, the studies suggest that AI has both positive and negative effects on education. AI tools can support personalized learning, improve efficiency, and increase students' engagement. However, they can also create ethical problems and reduce critical thinking when they are used irresponsibly. In conclusion, universities should not completely reject AI tools, but they should promote ethical and balanced use. Students need to use AI as a support tool instead of depending on it completely. Thank you for listening.